Hey guys, today we got a high-rise ARE TW series. Fits the 99 to 06 Chevy GMC trucks with the 8-foot bed. This one's done off of measurements. We couldn't verify that through the serial number because it's an older unit, but measuring it out, it measures that it fits the 99 to 06 body. It's in pretty decent shape. It's an older unit. It's not horribly bad, but paint looks good through here. Paint on the top and the top edge looks good. Down through here looks pretty decent. It's got a scuff there on the top. It's hit something there. Got a couple spots in the paint right there, and not sure what they are. Just don't come off. Like I said, it's an older unit, so it's going to have some flaws. Paint looks good on the bottom edge. No damage on the bottom edge that I can see there. Has the double bay windows with the front slider on the side here. Fiberglass looks good above the windows. Side looks pretty decent. The front and the front edge look good. Not seeing any major issues here. Paint looks good down through here. Sliding window opens there, so you can access the cap from the cab and the cab from the cap. On the top here, it's got some scuffs up here. And the lights, you're not going to be able to see it here probably at all, but when the light's just right, you can see that there was a hole here, and they patched that at one point in time, but if the lighting has to be right, otherwise you don't even really see it, and I can't see it right now, but the shade of paint is just a hair. Probably looks fresh compared to older paint, but on this side the paint looks pretty good. Top and the top edge on this side. Now here we got a little bit of a impact here and an impact right there. Not sure what caused that. A couple stress cracks up here, but it's not going to affect anything. Top and the top edge look good through here. Bottom edge looks pretty good down through here. I'm not seeing any major. That's just dirt. Half side slider with the double bay windows on this side as well. Single T-handle locking rear door. Pretty good back through here. Probably had, I'm sure it had a brake light on it at one point in time. There's a wiring for the brake light to go through the hole, but there's no brake light on it now. Put a new key handle. We put a new T-handle and lock in it, and a new lock rod assembly here because it was broken. Inside's a spare fiberglass. You can see up here right there, this is where the impacts were on the side. It cracked the fiberglass on the inside here a little bit, and then you can see that where that patch was at on the roof. But my guess is that one leaked. That's why they fixed it. It doesn't look like it leaks at all because there's no water stains on it. Might have a little bit of leaking on this window here because you got a little bit of stainage to the bottom down there. Sliding window. And a little bit of staining on the corner here. I'm not really sure. Probably might leak there too a little bit. Screen's look in good shape. No holes in the screens that I can see. Let's check this one out here. No hole on this screen either. Serial number won't do any good because it's too old to look it up from ARE. I don't know. They've got some old obsoleted numbers. So it does have a clothes hanger. So you can hang, this pops down. It'd take me 2 hands to do it. But anyways, this pops down. Yeah, it's going to take me 2 hands to do it. That pops down so you can hang your clothes on there. So there it is, an ARE. It's TW series, a high-rise model. Fits the, based on measurements, it fits the 99 to 06 Chevy GMC truck with the 8-foot bed. Below is a link to this unit on our website. So you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, make arrangements, pick it up online, purchase it online. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general. So if you're looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, things like that, deck units, those can all be purchased online from us as well. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, you're waiting for something to come in, maybe the right color, maybe the bed size, what have you, we upload to YouTube and our website as soon as we get inventory in. So you'll want to subscribe below to keep up to date on that. As with all our truck caps, they are local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick this up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.